Here we go. 3, 4. Eighth notes. Okay, here we are, right hand C major scale for beginners or anyone that needs a refresher. However, if you know how to play the scale, you can go ahead and later in the video and check out the play along if you wish. So I'm going to be teaching in a micro and a macro way, going over some techniques and then overall tips to get the scale. If you have the time, please stay around to the end because I'm going to be giving some important technique tips. Right hand fingers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go ahead and place them on the keys like this. We have our 1 on C, 2 on D, and so forth, and 4 on F for now. Important technique tips here, we're thinking from the top to bottom, neck, back, relaxed, feet flat on the floor, elbow as relaxed as you can be, fingers curved but not too curved, and avoid flat hands. Now when we're going to play each note, we're going to just gently press. You don't have to overdo it. Just try to think body weight. Okay? And when you're going to bring that up, next note. And it's okay if you go ahead and play. Sometimes students do this. It takes time. So you just want to work on that. Third finger, the E. Okay? And then go back down. That's our first point. Now our targeted point, you can see on the screen, I'm going to play C, D, E, and then F. The thumb goes, the one finger goes on F. Some instructors will say you want to tuck the thumb underneath the hand. That's okay, but don't overdo it. We need to avoid twisting. We don't need to overdo it. We're going to have our hand float above the keys like that, and you'll get used to that as you spend more time with the instrument. So here I go. We're going to practice C, D, E, and I'm going to show you the first transition. All right, so I did bring the thumb over, but I'm also leading with the elbow. A lot of times beginners only think this is the area of where we're playing, not necessarily so. And it's good to get into all this. Just take your time. So now I'm going to play it again and then show you the new target point. Now I'm here. So now I have our 1, our 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like what I showed you here. Get here and try this. And then if you're ready, you're going to put it together and you can play it super slow. If you think you're ready, you can put it to a tempo or rhythm. In the play along, I will demonstrate with, I believe, half notes, quarters, and eighths. So you can do what you like. You can always come back to the video if you get overwhelmed. So I'm just going to play. Here we go. C. So important macro tip here, when you're getting that transition point, we're going to be thinking leading with the elbow so we don't completely just twist and tuck. I'm sure if you ask many piano instructors or anyone watching that plays piano, we avoid twisting. All right, time to go descending. I think this for some learners is a bit more challenging. We're going to go down and this is our first targeted point. So C, B, A, G, F. Get comfortable with that, and once you're comfortable, we're now going to bring the third finger to E. We're not locking our elbows, okay? So you can tell I'm mentioning that a lot because I've seen students do this. They kind of just twist. No, no, no. So we're going to go C, B, A, G, F to E, D, C. And did you notice when I'm playing, I'm already moving, and this is getting ready. I've seen some learners do this. So going down, and then like, you have to anticipate. And again, I'm using not just the edge of the keys. I'm bringing my hand in to stay relaxed. So a lot of checklists here. I would advise you just to stay comfortable and then think about the targeted points. Once you get that down, think about the elbow. Some important techniques here. I gave one of them away, was always lead with the elbow. The other one is when we're playing the keys, we're not pressing like this. Probably can't see it. We don't want that joint to cave in. We want almost the very tip of the fingers, not super tip, but you have to practice that so we're not caving in. Get ready, half notes. 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Quarter notes. Eighth notes. Your turn, get ready, half notes. 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes. Eighth notes. Free play, mix it up, half, quarter, eighths, like this. You try it. One, two, 2, 3, 4. I hope the video was of help, and you can always go back and add the different techniques if you feel like you're getting confused. Just remember, take your time. We're not in a rush or race with anyone. We're here to enjoy this wonderful art. And if you are interested in learning about the left hand scale, I have a video for that. So you can check that out right now if you wish. Bye-bye.